Damn.
Hi guys, it's Shane from Yiannimize, and today we have this Lamborghini Aventador Roadster. Half of it's wrapped and the other half is not at the moment. It was wrapped in like some iridescent colour done in Germany. However, it's now here to be stripped, fully wrapped, full Nero body kit and tinted windows. This car belongs to a football player who plays for Arsenal. When he first arrived in the country, everyone said to me, he loves cars, he's got a fleet of cars, he loves customising them, he will eventually contact you. Well, he has. And this car belongs to Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. We're going to get this inside, we're going to get it stripped, we're going to get it rewrapped in a crazy bright colour, and then we're going to put the Nero body kit on it. I will then phone him and hopefully he'll come down here and you can see the collection. I hope you enjoy this video.
Hi guys, it's Rio from Yiannimize. I'm new here, so you probably haven't seen me before, but enough about that. So today we got Aubameyang's Aventador in, and it's getting stripped. Personally, I like the colour, but you know, everyone's got a different opinion. So yeah, let's get to work. So I've just started stripping the vinyl off and it is coming off quite easy. From experience, this is not really a good sign because, I mean, the vinyl we use usually sticks more. I guess it will be easier for me. I don't mind.
Well, I like the holographic effect. Like, I like how it obviously flips from different colours, like the blues, the greens, the pinks.
Hi guys, Mark and Nicco. Another day, another chrome car. But we got the special one today.
It's Aubameyang's car. He got Ferrari Aventador. Basically, he loves car. Yeah, we done lots of football player car, but most of them, they don't like some loud colors. All they want is like a matte black, satin black, gloss white, gloss, any like simple, but Aubameyang, he likes like to go crazy. He's been running crazy color before. Now we're gonna do it in gold chrome. I think it's gonna look nice.
We're gonna make it sick this time.
Yeah, we're not saying that we're the best, but we're gonna make it better than before.
Gold.
Hashtag humble life.
Hi guys, just a quick update. We've done 80% of the car. We live in the top half in black. We've only got the rear bumper and the front bumper, and it's gonna take ages for us. This is gonna be the most difficult for me and Nico. However, the car is looking amazing. If you know me, I'm a really big fan of chromes, especially the light blue one, which is my car. Yeah, the chrome shows like all the curves of the car, which is nice. So gold diggers, get ready.
Right, so we are on the Aventador, as you can see. The spoiler, carbon fiber, original. We can take all the bits off this to put onto this. So I'm just taking off the brake light first. Gonna drill a couple of holes, get the cables in, and then that'll be ready to go on the car. And then we fit the top piece over there, which will go on here, and it will go as one complete piece on the car. You'll see as I'm doing it, step by step, what's going on. Terry, keep it down in the back there, son. I'm trying to film you. Yeah, I am now. Car's in the air, as you can see. We're about to fit the side skirts and then literally start getting the car back together because we're on a deadline and it's got to get done. Let's crack on.
For the rugged, yeah. For the rugged, yeah. For the rugged, for the rugged. Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost.
So here it is, guys. Aubameyang's chrome gold Lamborghini Aventador Roadster with the Nero body kit. When it turned up, it was wrapped in like an iridescent color. We stripped that off and we made it look like this. He's gonna come and collect this car this evening, so my film crew won't be with me, but I'm gonna try and film something with him for you guys to watch it at home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out this car. So, Mr. Aubameyang has turned up.
Yes.
You've just turned up from Dubai, haven't you?
Yeah.
So it's nice and hot and it's raining outside.
Really hard, please. Yes,
You ready to see your car?
yeah, come on.
So, come see your car.
Wow. Sick, isn't it?
So we stripped it, full wrap, full body kit.
Really nice.
Very hard, very hard. So if you remember, when it was wrapped before, yeah, they only wrapped half of this. They didn't wrap in here, yeah, and they didn't wrap in here. But my boys, my Filipino boys, they're special, they're good.
Crazy.
But look at the carbon. Just please be careful here, because that is low.
Yeah. Yeah. I will try to remember.
So we've got loads and loads of football players. You've got to get Mr. Aubameyang to sign the wall as well. You're going to go this side, you're going to go with all the boxers. You've got all the boxers here. You've got football players here. I'm trying to figure where we can. You're going to go with the football players.
Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today.
So that is it. That is Aubameyang's car. He's leaving, but he's left me another car. What has he left me? He's left me his matte black PAL Urus. So that is now left here. That is going to be stripped and that is going to be rewrapped as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned. And yes, we are uniforming his car. So he will have an Urus and Aventador in chrome gold, and I've also got my Urus and my Aventador in chrome turquoise. Thank you so much for watching. It's always a pleasure. From myself and Mr. Aubameyang, who's in there now, we outie. And there he goes.
I can't work on winners when I know you're losing, so I want the winners and they know the losers. Guess I have to pivot, shooting never